Welcome today in front of me BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So let's first unlock the SIM card on our device. After that, just click here to the settings section and then tap here to the security. After that, scroll down to the SIM card lock section, and now just to unlock our device, we should click here. Unlock the SIM card to remove SIM pin. Click once on the switcher and here enter your current lib password. In my case, that's from 1 to 4. And now just click here to OK, and now we can see the changes that we just successfully removed the SIM pin from SIM card on our BLACKVIEW device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.